Hello friends, welcome back to the third session of making multiplication easier. Let's get started. Trick 5 is to multiply numbers whose unit digit is 1. So we have to consider such numbers in which unit digit is going to be 1. Let's take an example. 31 into 41. Friends, clearly both the unit digits here are 1. What is the first step going to be? You need to multiply one's digits together. 1 ones are 1. In the next step, in the second step, your focus should be upon the tens digits and you need to add them up. Here the tens digits are 3 and 4. We know 3 plus 4 is 7. And what is the third and last step now? Again, considering tens digits, now you need to multiply them together. We know 3 4s are 12. लीजिए आ चुका है आपका आंसर. Let's consider one more example. Suppose I am doing 71 into 81. Again, both the unit digits here are 1. I told you the first step is to multiply unit digits together. 1 ones are 1. In the second step, your focus should be on tens digits and we need to add them up. Now 7 plus 8 gives us 15. So you have to simply write 5 over here and this left over, this one will be taken as a carryover. Third step says that we need to multiply tens digit. Friends, what important thing that, to remember here is that we need to add this carryover in this product value. So when I am doing 7 into 8, we know 7 8s are 56. So this carryover will be added to that product value. 56 plus 1 becomes 57 and this 57 will be written over here. So this is your answer. Alright. Let's consider third example. Question 3. 121 into 31. What is the change over here? If you can see, now I have considered 121, which is a 3-digit number, and another one is a 2-digit number. Again, the process is same. We need to multiply one's digits together. 1 ones are 1. Very important thing to remember here is, friends, that यहाँ पर आप 2 plus 3 नहीं करेंगे. You need to consider 12 as a complete single value, complete one value. तो 2 plus 3 करने की बजाय आप 12 plus 3 करेंगे, which is again 15. And I told you आपको सिर्फ 5 यहाँ पे लिखना है and this 1 will be taken as a carryover. Now final step, third and last step, you need to multiply these values. Again आप 2 into 3 नहीं करेंगे. 12 will be taken as a complete one value. So 12 into 3 जब आप करोगे आपको मिलेगा 36. And I told you this leftover value will be added to the product value. 12 3s are 36 plus 1 becomes 37. Very easy. I hope you'll like this trick. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share my channel. For such more interesting topics and contents, stay tuned. Thank you.